I'm Samir Zubaidi. I'm the head of mathematics in the Arts Educational School. I do teach across the day school as well as the sixth form. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the mathematics we do here in ArtsEd. Our number one priority in the maths department is to make sure that the pupils are happy to come into a math lesson. The atmosphere in every single math lesson is excellent, and teachers usually work very, very hard in supporting the very small groups we have. In Key Stage 5, which is the sixth form, in year 12 every single year we do have a group of students, and they are ranging from 4 to last year we had about 14, and those students they study the subject, and they are happy to actually do that, and giving them the balance between going for their drama, BTEC and dance, and coming to the maths room being sort of focused on a totally different aspects, which give them the other side of their work. The results we achieved over the last 5-6 years in mathematics, all of them, they've been 100% A star to C. Every year they study between pure applied, and the applied is mechanics and statistics. We demand from the student coming to study A-level mathematics in ArtsEd at least a grade 7 at their GCSE. In year 12 we demand an exam from them, and they will do 2 papers, one pure and one applied. In year 13 they do 3 papers, and they are 2 of them pure and 1 applied. One last thing I would like to say about mathematics in ArtsEd. We do not usually have a student coming in here just to study mathematics, but when they come and join us, they will be very happy to be in a math lesson. Most of the children we have, they come in and telling us some horrible stories about mathematics being boring or not being able to actually study mathematics previously. And when they come here after just a few weeks, we transfer them into somebody willing and happy to actually study mathematics over many years. And that's why in every single year, out of our own year 11 students, we have a few to carry on to study A-level mathematics. I wish you best of luck to come here and study with us.